Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another video. And this is actually not a makeup tutorial. This is going to be something very highly requested, but just a disclaimer, this is actually going to be a very disgusting and gross video. So if you're someone who feels squeamish while watching this kind of thing, then I would suggest you to skip on this video. But if you're still here and you do want to watch how I get rid of the white cheesy stuff from my nose and my face, then stay tuned. And before moving further into the video, just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The link button is there, so make sure you guys do subscribe. And if you guys do like this video, then make sure you guys like this one and share with your friends and family. So before removing some whitehead, let's know about whitehead a little bit more. So whiteheads develop when dead skin cells, sebum, oil which is from your sebaceous gland, and dirt clog your pores, unlike blackheads which can be pushed out because you know the blackheads are kind of like out of the skin already and they get in contact with the air and they turn dark and black. But these whiteheads, they are actually pushed within your skin. It is closed under your skin and in your pores. So this is actually a bit more challenging when you actually want to get rid of them. And the thing is, using this kind of products which are glycolic acid pads, then glow tonic like the Pixie Beauty ones, these actually help to a certain level to get rid of these. But I believe everyone should like get rid of this from within the skin by extracting them, because you know otherwise it is going to be somewhere deep inside the pores and it is going to be causing much more trouble. And you will see when you have this clogged pores or these blackheads in your face or any kind of acne usually do go out on their own when you treat them. But when you have these whiteheads or blackheads which are deep within the pores, the pore is actually not dead, so they keep on creating the sebum, the oil, and they keep like pushing with the whitehead which is clogged, and they couldn't get out to the skin because it is closed. So what they do is they actually push backwards in your skin and they kind of cutter a hole, like they dig a hole in your face. And when you finally do get them out, or if somehow it gets rid of it, you can see there is like a very deep hole in your skin and you cannot get rid of that. So I believe you should regularly actually clean out your whiteheads or blackheads. But people have different opinion about this one. I'm not sure if I am able to make you guys understand what I'm saying, but I hope you guys do understand. And I actually personally like to get those out, and it is, I know, very painful. Like the way that I do it is kind of painful, but personally I like to do it myself, so I really don't like anyone else getting close to my face. Like I know my face well, so I know where to work. So it is really important to me, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it. I'm not sure if it's the way you should do it or how others do it, but I believe in this and I regularly do it to get rid of the dirt in my face and whiteheads in my face. Extraction is really important for me, so I do have my own extraction tool set, but I actually don't end up using a lot of these. I just use a particular one which is like available in any beauty store or any cosmetic store in Bangladesh, so you guys can easily like get that one. And usually they call it the bronze stick, I guess. Yes, and it's about like 30 to 40 taka, which is very affordable, so you don't need to get a set like this one, but you can just get the stick and you can extract the whiteheads from your face yourself. And it is actually a very very painful process, and I believe my pain tolerance is like about 10 on 10, so I can handle a lot of pain which other people might not be able to. So what you should do is, like, whenever you are trying to get rid of any whiteheads or blackheads from your face, try to do a little bit of steam or do a hot water compression in the area where you want to clean it, and then go with it, because it kind of opens up the pore Again, a disclaimer before moving on. I'm just showing you guys how I get rid of them. I'm not telling anyone to follow the same steps. So if you end up doing this, then you are doing it on your own and you're risking it on your own self. So I'm not responsible for it. So let's see what we will need to get rid of this pesky whiteheads. We will need an extraction tool like this one. So what you guys should actually remember about your extraction tool is that you should sterilize it very well, clean it with hot boiling water so that it can get rid of the germs in it. Lots of paper napkins, hexisol or rubbing alcohol. So this nip and fab exfoliate glycolic acid pads. I've completely cleaned my hands and I'm just rubbing a little bit of hand rub the alcohol so that it is squeaky clean. And at first I'm just going to be cleaning the nose area with the glycolic acid pads to get rid of any dead skin from the surface area. Then just taking a paper napkin and it is soaked with hot lukewarm water to open up the pores. So let's get started. Can you see the amount of dirt that it is collecting right now? These were all in my nose. This is gross. Your nose might get a little bit of swelling and a little bit of redness, but don't worry, it will surely go down with time. Damn. See? I need to pluck my brows out, but I do get these whiteheads in this area too. Finally, I do take another clean glycolic acid pad and just clean around the area. So the face might be looking a little bit red, so the redness will go down within like 5 to 6 hours, so don't worry about that. But you will see a big difference in your nose. You will see how much smoother and soft it feels to the touch, and whenever you apply foundation or any kind of primer, you will see that you have a plain smooth nose and your foundation won't be like fading out from your nose that often if you actually clean out your nose. See how squeaky clean and shiny it is actually looking right now. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a little bit of cold water in a paper napkin and compress it in my nose area so that the open pores will close up. So this is the nose right now, and I am going to be showing you guys how much dirt actually got out of my pores. This is really disgusting, I know, and this actually disrupts your makeup so much. Yeah. So this is how I get rid of the strawberry nose or the whiteheads from my nose, and to make it much more long lasting throughout the week, what I do is I actually apply a charcoal mask. I usually use the amlaki charcoal mask to keep the oil from my pores at bay so that it doesn't clog up as sooner as it is supposed to. So that's how I maintain it, and for me, cleaning up the nose is a very important step because whenever I apply foundation, I want it to be long lasting, and I don't want it to fade from my nose. So that's why it's really important to me, and it actually helps to, like, you know, have the foundation on, because when you have those whiteheads or those blackheads in your nose, it actually seeps oil through your base, and it disrupts the base, and slowly the foundation from your nose fades away. So it is really important to have a clean nose. Do whatever you want to do to clean the nose, but have a clean nose for a clean base. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys don't mind me grossing you out with the disgusting stuff from my nose today. I'm really sorry for that. And if you guys did like this video, then make sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribing to my channel, then make sure you guys do subscribe, and do also let me know if you guys want to see much more of these DIY skin videos in my channel so that I can make them. And catch me again in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe into my channel. And if you're not following me in my Instagram, then make sure you guys do follow me in my Instagram, and I will be coming up with a new makeup tutorial very soon for you guys. And Ramadan Kareem, everyone. So I'll catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye. 'Cause you keep me